Yo aha Fabuloso na esim kunya biem ye the Ghana Premier League news and stories na yana e bomodin the stories esisi ni bi ebrem mainly about Kumasi Asante Kotoko na and ye pese hwe match week 27 no premiership no ye benya no ye wia no mo am bibi ye no monye ni sesi because league no ye decide match week 27 asa agra ye kopa match week 27 so over the weekend, but before that the first game so Friday na let's go through the fixtures now. So we comment our offer ho now so catch say the first game so on the Friday ye wo Karela United Karela 8 na fie wo enyinase atonsa dia frɛ Great Olympics, Accra Great Olympics, Oli Daddy, Oli Konson, Oli Rosalinda, Oli COVID-19, Oli Bibia, Otukwa ako Karela, the Lions Den, kwa koso na ho den ahwe de base film ba na sa game no a very big game yenye ni Karela mo performance wo enyinase ho no dey so be kwa akofa point wo na ye hwe de Olympics betumi Kotoko so far yen kwality mi akwa Karela United, not only this season be ni ho bi akoshe omo but this season yetimi that record na you could break omo sa home record na omo no e ma ekoje 3 points ba ye hwe the Olympics betimi I tip game we made I tipped Karela to get all 3 maximum points after Friday Saturday matches na beto so 2 matches ebeba so was Saturday wabra Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Africa Club of the Century ye free Kumasi akopiem wo doma hinkro hey game we Ajimabedu Park wo eho na ye kwakusi akan ye ne Eduana Stars, the Uja Boys ye ne omukwa akusi akan. Don't forget Kotoko yenje 3 points wo doma da say ya bo Premier League match my akodo ma akwa Eduana e bin sida na said this season the team call enyinase ko share Karela no it will not be something surprising say yense bitimi asa akodo ma akwa share omo although a difficult task ema Kotoko family no if yetimi share sa game we trust me it means you put a step ahead for the trophy no enti yen hwe game we ebekose Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye tukwan akodoma akwakohia Eduana Stars. That's Saturday now. So ye another match Liberty Professionals or Dreams FC. Liberty your performance no enye kwa no moko from Liberty munye bibi mun sori mun kam ho hye Liberty enye first Liberty moko relegation what I say Liberty munye bibi Liberty omo so metina fie ewo Sogakope ato safre Dreams FC. Liberty say omo no say omo mpe fans with stadium because the preparation to protect the fans from COVID and all those things ne karo mo bono yana too much intebe yanka mo mpe fans bia with stadium. GFA so say masa mo boa mo gate process no your percentage mo print tickets na fans in stadium intendo so no manso kakra aba Liberty any GFA intem no after I know Saturday into Sunday na all the rest of the fixtures ni nyina beba so until yentem na yen run through you internalize betun sa frame Mediama ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Mediama don't forget to league title na jinini abrepa internalize so that be Shepem Boys will be a shame be on the last bottom of the league log no wafa betun sa frame ebusua drafts ewo Sogakope ewo drafts on to me. I don't think the draft can stand wafa ewo sa Sogakope no wafa win ewo ho King Faisal 11 Wonders. King Faisal must win this game if they want to survive relegation. King Faisal 11 Wonders they multi-pen. You should survive. You should beat 11 Wonders or Yasama goalkeeper fantastic Dalan Ibrahim Intimo Dalan Ibrahim then be namope or a national team goalkeeper. The next fixture you Ash Gold or Boise Ashanti Gold or Met Nephew or Boise Lane Stadium Aton Safre Legon Cities. The royal family no from home royals fi Accra kopiem wo Boise Lane Stadium. Now that game no Ash Gold are favorite for that game because champion na say the team no instead of nye papa wa be mid table team this season. And the champion onka kan ho hye na ne boys no mo sori no mo nye bibi because Lagos City is omoni abre me say on person omo ya no mo yi omo fi relegation nim all those is there o kan current position ni omo nka ho ba per point tally no so Lagos City is basically akọ relegation to omoni abre pa. But Ash Gold are favorite for that game. If we are Bechem United, also better Safre Elmina Sharks. Game where I think some more sizes. Bechem win. Hartlepool last game. Hartlepool versus Brecum Chelsea. Hartlepool versus Brecum Chelsea. Accra Sports Stadium. Hartlepool in Niabre. Or say 12 years now on J League. No, I feel way dear. I feel way enough. And I saw for Kubika, no. 1911 for but one thing omo yo enye fine say league ni yin dey ahonde na ebo Hartlepool there so ma bribe referees no so ma edenyo so mo ni GF aka bom say mo mfa league ni mo mfa ma ahonde na ebo matches no referees na edibu omo e force omo say by force omo nje league no amag league na esa na anye fair ho ye pe true champion what you say e ba say yen top matches Hartlepool Munis Kansin Kotoko, you bet me at to Mancas to folk no can answer Shamaka. It's my mom family, Tony Mim, Mamma and Bob born fairly now GFI no or Monca Sanche refreeze na Bibia should be fair. Biambo gave me the fair, na yen share how I beco. And so these are the matches over the weekend. Yan share the ABC. I'm running through the league table no fast. Now yan share Obia position on the league log. Going through the league log no Hartlepool at the first or 46 points plus 17 goals. Asante Kotoko that second 46 points plus 15 goals. Mediama SC that third 43 points plus 5 goals. Great Olympics that fourth Great Olympics that fourth or 43 points plus 8 goals. I don't know how come Olympics Mediama A2 Olympics, but we'll find out. Karela the fifth or 42 points plus 8 goals. Dreams FC or the Dreams FC the sixth or 41 points plus 12 goals. Wafa the seventh 39 plus 3 goals. Adriana Stars the eighth 39 points minus 4 goals. Ash Gold the ninth or 34 points plus 5 goals. Bechem United the 10th or 33 points minus 9 goals. Lagos City is the 11th or 32 points plus 3 goals. Ebusuan drafts about more 12 or more than 12 or 31 points plus minus 31 points minus 6 goals. Brecum Chelsea the 13th or 31 points minus 9 goals. Your Elmina Sharks or also 30 points minus 11 goals. Your King Faisal or the 15th or 29 points minus 12 goals. And a relegation zone on your 11 Wonders or the 16th or 27 points minus 9 goals. And a Liberty Professionals, the scientific soccer last boys no or more than 17th or more 26 points minus 11 goals. And a bottom last ball rate or the last crowd was all the 17 clubs no eguna beti or also or the last 18th position no Inter Allies or the 20 or 23 points minus 5 goals. And to compare Inter Allies Chronic King Faisal points the woman and on qua 6 points. Chelsea King Faisal beat me ako. Elmina Sharks beat me ako. Even Brecum Chelsea beat me ako. Ebekwa ako si Lagos City. Obia beat me ako relegation. Maybe I want there. Obia nye safe sir. Into lose 2 games to us. So be pa. Winning 2 games in so as answer winning. So these are the fixtures over the weekend and at the league table as it stands now. Obi any outstanding match. Until let's see what happens in game week 2017. Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tamochi. We know what you can do on a good day, go and deliver for us. A high Fabulous and infamous here for Porcupines by Porcupines.